Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to set up Shopify payments and checkout in 2025. This is how you get paid and make it very easy for the customers to buy from your store. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come here on shopify.com. Over here, you need to log in into your account if you haven't already, or if you don't have an account on Shopify, you can also get started for free. So once you have done that, this is going to be your Shopify admin dashboard. Over here, click on the option of settings in the bottom left hand corner of the screen. After that, select the option of payments. Over here in the payments section, you can basically see the business related details, bank accounts and tax related information. So you need to fill out these details carefully so that your payouts go directly to your bank account. So here you will see that PayPal is already added. So you can click on the option of activate PayPal. After that, you need to click on the option of activate again. Now it is going to redirect you on paypal.com, where you need to provide your PayPal related details and it will be connected and added over here. You can also add another payment methods by clicking on the add payment methods option. Over here you can just simply search for credit card. You need to select which credit card provider you want to use. So let's say you want to use MasterCard credit card. After selecting it, you need to select the provider from this list. So you can choose any one of these and then install it in your Shopify store. This way, apart from PayPal, you will be able to add credit card. If you want to add more payment methods, you can again go back to the payments section, then click on the option of add payment method. After that, if you want to add Stripe, you can just simply search for Stripe. Then you can select the provider and add the payment method over here. So now you need to go back to the settings of your Shopify store. Then you can go to the checkout section. With the help of this checkout section, you can customize how the customers check out. You can decide if you want guest checkout or customer accounts. You can also add your store policies like refund, shipping, and privacy. You can also enable the order confirmations emails to keep the customers updated. So once you have set it up, you can just simply go to your Shopify store and place a test order. You can go through the full checkout process to make sure that the payments, the shipping, and the confirmations work correctly before going live. So this is how you can set up your Shopify payments and checkouts in 2025. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.